chop this down and put it in my truck. Got it all in the truck. Now, go down and actually show you this. So, yeah, I'm taking this this. Yeah, it's not really that good, but like I got a car holder. Like this is also some axes bin. This is where my trailer and truck are, and so you can see they're actually in the ground, so you don't bump into them. That took a while because you have to use tiles. Oh, and yeah, you can see I have some storage there. And I kind of just, yeah, use congregated walls. And also my sign, it's floating, so that's pretty funny. I don't know if I'm going to be keeping this. Nah, I'm actually going to go sell it. So, see you. I'm going to save it for a new sawmill, so see you when I'm done with that sawmilling. So, these are my blueprints. Got all of it to the truck. Now we're just gonna go sell it. And maybe not expand my land, but also get some other stuff, like maybe the rookery axe. Or I already have all this stuff. I actually forgot what I was gonna buy. Yeah, it was a new sawmill. And if you need lumber Tycoon, sawmills are cheap. It's just if you know the sawmill, it's only 130. Then the next one is 1,600. I could buy that, right? But it's just that, like, it kinda sucks. The next one is the Sawmaxo 1 for 11,000, then the Sawmaxo 2, and then the O2 large, and that's way too much. So we could buy a fair sawmill or save up for the Sawmax 01, and that means we need a better way of earning money. So I think we can go try get some ice wood. But no, ice wood is possible, but it's like the best wood I can currently do. But I need to also buy a spare piece of dynamite, I think, just in case. But I'll maybe just go there without a piece of dynamite and see how this works. Oh, and also, this is literally my first time, like, not doing a toys video. I've been kind of recording without, but I have been recording without uploading it, but like, this is my first time when I'm actually gonna upload. So I'll see you maybe where the obstacle is. Yeah. Okay, sorry guys that my mic was muted the entire time. Well, I don't know if it was muted, but like, basically what I said in that part is like, oh, I feel bad for them, they don't know how to do the blueprint glitch, which I done, and yeah, I haven't done it, I don't think I've done it with a trailer, but yeah, now we're just gonna throw this down here. I'll leave some for them. Wait, yeah, I'll leave some for them. But if they can even make it up and don't fall another time, then alright, yeah. Basically, if you want to know how I do it, I just kind of slightly press the keys like I'll just get free trees, you know. I just go like this. When I need to move a little bit, tap forward, like W or the front arrow key, and then A or arrow key. You have to really hold on the arrow key, so that doesn't help. But now we're throwing the ice trees down. I really hope they don't steal them, because, well, they kind of, okay, I wouldn't feel bad for me, because I kind of just stole it. And, oh, come on, we're definitely gonna get stuck. And, at least we have the blueprint glitch in this game that will help us out tremendously, or maybe not, okay. Or literally not helping us out at all. Oh, and my trailer is stuck in my car. Darn. Yes. Wait, I shouldn't even have done that. Because now, with the forward off here. And then, wait, where did the other one go? Oh. Basically, just gonna push this off. And for the moment of truth. Oh, well, I don't even need to do the I think I could just, yes, run around in circles. And now, so this video isn't like half an hour long, then I'll just cut this. Should I do it on or not on camera? I think I'm gonna do this not on camera, but the last tree I am. Alright, pausing it. Alright. Yes, so chopped all the trees down. I have a little bit of space left. Luckily, well, this is just a little. But also comment down below if the comments are even enabled, because YouTube kind of does that. What Tycoon should I play next? Do you guys have like a specific Tycoon you want me to play, or should I just play like Retail Tycoon? I have a pretty good retail store in that. Or, you know, do you want me to play something a bit more like, well, literally like any Tycoon or simulator even? If you want me to play those games, then I'll play them, but it's just that you guys need to comment, if there is comments enabled, what you guys want. I want Retail Tycoon, you know, that's my specific pick. For me, it's Retail Tycoon if the comments are off. And really, that's it. Retail Tycoon, I do have Treeland. It's kind of boring. And yeah, I'm not gonna go into the story of that game, because now New Fizzy kind of just works for Adopt Me. Wait, what? Oh, they got it down! Really? I think the boulders are coming up, though. Oh! Oh, I'm running! Ah! Wait, is this just steal that? Oh, they're chopping down everything. I shouldn't have fell. I shouldn't have even left any trees for them. They're just chopping down everything. You know, I hope the boulders just start coming down. That's gonna take them forever. Actually, I don't hope right now, but like in 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, I'm okay if the input comes down now. So, I kinda just gotta sawmill this up, and it takes like half an hour for me to do an entire trip of going to get ice wood, sawmilling it, and selling it. Especially with the tiny truck, I only fit, I think there was either 3 trees or 2.5 trees with space. He just kinda has a bin of wood, that's kinda weird. But, yeah, oh yeah, I'm probably not gonna make an ice wood bin, right? I mean, this is kinda good, the corrugated stuff. But, nah, I'd kinda have to be enclosed, alright? Let's sawmill this up. Alright, just putting it in now. So you can see I did have to make the smaller pieces of ice wood, smaller branches, into a 0.8 thing. So yeah. And now that I'm just kind of putting this in, I'm thinking of the sawmill system. I need some automatic sawmill stuff, and like, I have that on one of my plots, but I kind of just suck at making them. That this plot is based around building. I suck so much at building in this game that I wanted to base a plot around it to see how far I could get. That was my inspiration. How far can I get with something that I suck with? And I'm still going to be using tutorials, which is a little bit cheating when you think about it, but like, because that's literally help. But even in tutorials, like with an automatic, I tried to do an automatic sorter, was it? No, wait. Yeah, I was good at the sorter. An automatic wood sawmiller. I sucked. I didn't listen. I just kind of made my own one. So, yeah, we're gonna see how that works. And now, just look at the money flying in. You know that this wood is like the best wood in the game? When all you have to do is take literally just a 20-minute trip and go get like 3 trees, sawmill all of it up, and you'll have like 10,000 in no time. I'm not even done my trailer. I'll just show you how much I have when I'm done my trailer. Like, look at that. What's that? 9,000, 8,500. And the big ones, they're even more, because the more you have, just kind of just the more. Oh, that's cool. The more you have, the more money. So like 3 trees, if this isn't getting me that much, imagine how much you can earn with an automatic system. Your whole base is automatic, you know. You just kind of have to go sell it and chop down the trees. Imagine that. And you'll be earning hundreds of thousands. This is how, look at that, only like, what, like 5 more trips, and boom. You're literally 100,000 cash. Well, it's called money, but like 100,000 cash and boom. So, oh, I could save. I'm not really that much. We just want, oh no, freaking threw everything on the floor. Basic sawmill. And there we go. And now, actually, I kind of want, I don't really want an extra conveyor. Yeah, it's just kind of boring. Also, guys, what I could see doing with this stuff is like having a whole row of wood. Doesn't have to be like this planks, it'll just be a bin. Kind of like this, but a little bit taller, like going up. And yeah. So what am I gonna do with this one? Well, oh, and this one, yep, just place it right where it needs to be. It's the same size, but look at that. We have much bigger, well, it's kind of just lighter, but like still bigger. And look how much this can go up to. I don't want to destroy that. And this can go up to, oh my god, that's a ton. 3x2. 3x2 this can go up to. And that tree just died. I'll show you how big a 3x2 is. Chop this down. Chop that. First of all, fits with no freaking, like, no problem. And holy, that's going straight into here. That's the type of wood I'm wanting. So, better, kind of just got a better, you know, sawmill this episode. If there's anything you guys want me to do, like a retail tycoon next, or hey, go get lava wood, I'll do that. Or I guess a better car or trailer. Don't really know yet. So yeah, I'll see you next time. And this is actually just gonna be about 20 minutes. So yeah, I'll just kind of wait it out. Just so it's exactly 20 minutes. And basically comment, if there's comments, what you guys want me to do next, and I'll see you next time.